Hello guys, welcome back to Charo Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows update error on your PC or laptop. So first thing what you have to do is just have to come here in the search and you have to search for turn Windows feature on or off. You have to search here the same turn Windows feature on or off. So you'll be getting this option, just have to open this, and now from here you have to select everything which is regarding to .net. For example, if you expect this is ticked, you have to tick everything under .net, and if you have to select the respective one, you have to go for this. It is ticked, and you have to make sure that anything under this which is .net is correctly ticked, which means it is marked. So once after trying this, you have to after doing this, you just have to do the restart. Most probably in some cases this will not be ticked, it will be like this, so you have to tick it. You just have to tick it, right? And once after that, most probably after doing this, then you just have to go for what I have to say, you just have to do a restart, and most probably the issue will be fixed. And if it's not fixed, then most probably what you have to just have to come here to the search and you have to search for services. Now press enter. Now you'll be getting like this, and from here you have to search for app. You have to search for this one. I'll be showing you that. So you have to search for over here app redline. So you have to search this. Now make sure that, as you can see, that the service status is stopped, so you just have to go for start, and this will take a little bit time. And once after that, you just have to change the startup type to automatic and go for apply and go for OK. So these are the two steps that you have to try out, which most probably going to work. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Charo Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.